So finally we are announcing Buildfy 3. And in this video, I'm going to be navigating you through all the features. Alright, so first of all you have to do is visit this website. I will give the link in the description. So finally we have many features in Buildfy, and Buildfy is finally a web app right now. So simply all you have to do is click on use Buildfy to start using it. The next thing is, here is the interface. So let me give you a quick guide how it has been divided. So in the left side you will get all the widget panel. And then at the center you will get your canvas where you will be placing those widgets. And on the right you will get properties, styling, etc. And here we have also got a menu bar. In the menu bar you can save, export this project, zoom in, zoom out. There are many features to change the view. So you can now change the behavior of the widgets by using the node and simply change the code using this code tab. And also you can zoom in and zoom out as well as preview your application. And here we also got extensions so that you can directly visit the GitHub link and also integrate them in your project. Okay, let's start by renaming the app. Let me rename it to login. And you can change the properties like the height, width, and the color, everything. You can change the theme even though. Now, let's first start by creating a simple GUI. I will drag a button over here and change its properties. You can head over to layout to change the name of the variable and also XYZ coordinate along with the width and height. Next, you have got the styling for the font, text alignment, text, foreground color, text color, and corner radius. You can modify each of the thing to give your button an advanced look. Similarly, we will be creating more widgets now, so let me drag a entry box. And we can change the border color and each and every property over here. So you can customize it according to you. Also, we have got the new align feature so that you can easily align the widgets on place. And also we have got this right click menu where you will getting renaming the variable name, editing the behavior, duplicate, copy paste, and many features. So here I'm basically duplicating the layer and creating another entry widget. Then you can align them and change their name. For example, enter email here and enter name here. In order to copy the widget, you can use the Command C and Command V on your Mac keyboard or Control C, Control V on your Windows keyboard respectively. Now let's align everything and let's change everything's name. Also, you can use this image widget if you are a pro user. So make sure that the pro user is just for $11. You can just use the license and start creating. So let's customize this image and let's place our image over here. I will change the foreground color to the color that we have of our window. Now let's customize the color of each widget according to the logo. Now let's place a label over here. Let's change the text over here. And let's modify the properties. Now I'm thinking that what happened if without needing to code anything, I can directly integrate the behavior into the widget. Now this can be done using the nodes tab. So introducing nodes. Nodes is something that you can use to change the behavior of your widgets. For example, let's say we have to create a label. Here I have created a label which says welcome. You have to change the placing, and then all you have to do is go over to nodes over here, and then on app start, it will hide the widget which is the label in here. On click of the button which is login, connect it over to show the widget which is welcome. Now there are many options in nodes. You can play with any of them to create your own customized behavior. You can also delete this nodes by just right clicking and deleting all. And also there are many shortcuts which are working directly. You can also zoom in, zoom out, change the layout of the entire node. Now in the preview tab, you can just click over to preview and you can preview your app live, what you're going to be exporting in the final Python format. So that's the crazy feature. Now here we have many export features: export to Python, export as PNG, export as JSON format, and also save the project as BFY format. So later on when you are going to edit this entire thing, then you can just open the project up and then customize each and every element. Now the app also validates each and every code, that if the code is correct or not, before exporting it. So as you can see, we got this Python app over here. You can just enter your email and every single thing here, and on clicking the login, it is showing the welcome. And the image is not shown here because I have to place the image in the directory where this app has been placed. So make sure to do it. So this is it. This is how you can use Buildfy 3 to bring your ideas to life. Make sure to check out the pro version because it is amazing. So I hope this video was really helpful for you, and if it was, then consider subscribing, hit that like button below. I will meet you in the video. Until then, keep learning. Goodbye.